Hi there, friends of Blender, ancient Greece, and generally cool stuff. My name is Martin, and I thank you very much for purchasing this course. And since you probably don't know me, let me introduce myself very quickly. I've always been a fan of movies and visual effects, and after playing my favorite films on a loop for several years, I decided I wanted to make my own movie magic. So I started, where else? With lightsabers, of course. And then with Star Wars fan films, which became my passion for a long time. I went through some visual effects companies, went freelance, then worked on several projects set in the Middle Ages. One of them was the game Kingdom Come Deliverance, where I had the opportunity to become the cinematic director. Now I am working on a brand new project set in the ancient Greece, which I loved basically ever since I first played Rome Total War, which I'm still playing. I saw the movie 300 and then I started devouring books like Gates of Fire or The Killer of Men. And since there's very few movies and short films set in this period, well, I decided to make my own. And that's what Heroes of Bronze is all about. Well, not really all it's about. This project is also about documenting my whole workflow and making video tutorials about it. And that's where this course comes in. In it, I want to show you how I created this model from scratch, teaching you my methods of modeling, sculpting, playing with particles and hair. Also, you will learn how to UV your meshes, gather them into UV atlases, and prepare for export to other applications. And apart from that, you will learn how to push and pull a lot of vertices. So yeah, it's going to be fun. In the bonus lessons, among other things, I will show you how to quickly add human characters to your scenes and also how to add some displacement and normals in Substance Painter. But that's not all. Here and there I sprinkle in fun facts about ancient history, Spartan society, weapons, armors, battles, basically all the stuff that this period became known for. And also I make some bad jokes, so watch out for those. Now this tutorial is not exactly a beginner's course, but I will show you all my keyboard shortcuts, all the add-ons I used, and generally document the whole workflow that you will need for creating your own characters in Blender. Alright, welcome aboard my friends. I hope you'll get a lot from this course, so hopefully at the end of it you'll be able to start making your own characters for your short films. But now let's stop wasting time and let's get to it.
This is